Welcome back to the Cryotos Maintenance Management Podcast. I'm Bruce, and today we're exploring how AI and IoT are reshaping modern facilities. This topic is gaining momentum across industries, and to break it down with clarity and real-world depth, we have Alex with us, an expert in maintenance management and IoT innovation. Alex, great to have you here.
Thanks, Bruce. I'm excited because this intersection of AI and IoT is finally moving from concept to reality. We're seeing plants genuinely benefit from smarter decision-making powered by continuous data.
To begin, many people hear smart facility, but picture different things. From your perspective, what truly defines a smart facility today?
A smart facility is one that doesn't rely solely on scheduled checks or reactive responses. It constantly collects data through IoT sensors, temperature, vibration, energy patterns, and feeds that data into AI models that interpret behavior, predict failures, and recommend timely actions. It's a shift from reacting to predicting, from guessing to knowing.
That makes sense. But how exactly do AI and IoT complement each other? What's happening behind the scenes?
IoT is the source of truth. It captures live signals from assets, from motors to compressors. AI becomes the analytical engine that examines these signals, identifies unusual behavior, and understands patterns that humans might miss. When combined, they form a real-time intelligence layer that guides maintenance teams toward better decisions.
It sounds like a powerful combination. From what you're seeing in the field, how are maintenance teams benefiting from these technologies?
The improvements are significant. Teams experience fewer unexpected breakdowns because AI alerts them early. Assets last longer because their conditions are continuously monitored. And with reliable data, improvement methods like Lean or Six Sigma become much more effective. The biggest shift is operational confidence. People trust the insights because they're grounded in real-time data.
That confidence is often what drives adoption, but many leaders wonder how to get started without feeling overwhelmed. What's the most practical entry point?
Start with a single high-impact asset. Install sensors, monitor the data, and connect it to an AI-driven maintenance platform. Once teams begin seeing accurate predictions and actionable insights, it becomes clear how the approach can scale across the facility. The key is beginning with something manageable and valuable.
I like that. Start simple, prove the value, then expand. Before we wrap up, Alex, do you think this shift towards smart facilities is optional or inevitable?
It's becoming inevitable. As operations grow more complex, relying on manual observations alone isn't enough. AI and IoT bring precision, speed, and clarity. Facilities that adopt these technologies position themselves for higher reliability and long-term competitiveness.
Well said. This has been a great conversation, Alex. You've broken down the technology in a way that's both approachable and deeply informative.
Thanks, Bruce. Always happy to talk about how smart technologies are shaping the future of maintenance.
And thank you to our listeners for joining us on this episode of the Cryotos Maintenance Management Podcast. Stay tuned for more insights on innovation, maintenance excellence, and the evolving world of industrial operations.